In this slidecast, we're going to look at the business model design and innovation process the first time, and it's a messy process. It looks something like this, and it has two phases. The first phase is the search for the right business model, and only when you figured it out, that's when you move towards execution. And in this course, we're going to focus a lot on the first part, because searching for the right business model is the hard part. The search phase has two components. The first part is the business model design part, where you're going to design great different possibilities of what you could do. But then very quickly, you're going to test your business model to figure out what you should do. You're going to test your business model in the market. And we're going to do this with a process called customer development. So at the very beginning of your process, you're going to make a lot of business model canvas prototypes. You're going to explore as many possibilities as you can, and you'll do this very quickly. But then your task is to get out and very, very quickly test your ideas to figure out if the market is really interested. And only once you really nailed it, you're going to go and execute your business model. On this graph here, this looks like a very linear process, but unfortunately it isn't. It's going to be a lot of back and forth until you really learn what you should be doing, and only then are you going to move towards execution. Unfortunately, companies don't really like this kind of process. Companies like linear processes. But if you follow this process, you're going to minimize your risk and you're going to maximize the likeliness of outcompeting your competitors with better business models. But remember, it's not a linear process. It's going to be a back and forth. And when you're testing, you're going to learn a lot because you're going to fail a lot, but you're going to improve a lot. And the process will be full of doubts. But if you follow the process, you're very, very likely to outcompete your competitors with better business models. Class dismissed.